We're getting pretty good at these volume questions, especially a cylinder. Has been doing those for quite a while. Volume of a cone that has the same base and area. So it tells you the volume of a cylinder. So if you want the cone, it's pretty easy, right? How do I get from cylinder to cone? Divided by 3. So all I'm going to show is divided by 3. If you want a decimal, that's fine, but I think that's pretty straightforward. Make sure you label. All of these should have labels on them. If it doesn't tell you, we need to use units. Okay, next one. A cone has a volume of 12 pi. Its height is 4. What is its radius? Well, remember the formula for a cone is 1/3 pi r squared times the height. And we know that equals 12 pi. Height is 4. So I can plug that in for height. Pi's don't really matter. I got that on each side, so technically we can just get rid of that. So what divided by 3 is 12? What divided by 3 is 12? 36. So I need this to be 36. So when I divide it by 3, I get 12. Okay, so I already got a 4. 4 times what is 36? 4 times 9. So something squared is 9. And that means the radius would have to be 3. Yeah, and again, you could just trial and error it until you get 12. That would be fine as well. Just remember that cone is divided by 3. Otherwise, you probably wrote 9 down, right? You forgot the cone was divided by 3. Okay, if a cone has a volume of 3 pi, the radius is 1. What is its height? Okay, so once again, 1/3 pi r squared times the height. We need it to equal 3 pi. Tells us the radius is 1. Again, the pi's can pretty much just cancel. So 1/3 of what is 3? Or what divided by 3 is 3? The answer there would be 9. So I need this to be 9. So 1 times what is 9? Should be pretty simple.
Got it.
Answer is 9. Okay, next one. Same thing, but this is 2. Once again, I need this to be 9. Okay, this one does not come out very nice. 4 times what is 9? Well, if I can't get that, I just got to do 9 divided by 4. Could do 2 1/4 if you want. Guys, Parker, would you like to go through the problems then? Gavin?
I'm trying to sharpen my pencil.
Okay, why don't you just sit down right now? You're not going to take notes as we're doing this. It's not done anyway.
Sharpen my pencil.
Okay, that's something you can do before class, not in the middle of it. That would be great. You didn't need your book to sharpen a pencil. Okay, next one. Radius is 5. Same thing. Again, this has to be 9. 25 times what is 9? Not a good number again, so you're just going to take 9 divided by 25. These are not very good numbers, but we just have to deal with it. D. 1/2. Again, this needs to be 9. Well, this is a 1/4. A 1/4 of what is 9? This one does come out pretty nice. A 1/4 of 36 is 9. So this one is 36. And then just following the pattern, we're taking 9 divided by whatever our radius is. 9 divided by 1, 9 divided by 4, 9 divided by 25, 9 divided by a 1/4. That was the pattern, is all it's looking for there. Question number 4. Okay, just matching these people up. Where do you have A at? Who's A? Stands on the dock. Okay, chicken. Doesn't move. B starts at the top of the pole, zip lines into the water. And that would make this one C. Question 5. A room is 15 feet tall. Architect wants to include a window that's 6 feet tall. Distance between the floor and the bottom of the well is B feet. Which variable is independent and which one is dependent? Remember which one is which? So you have two choices, A and B. Which one is independent? Well, that would always be your X, right? The one that's over here. This is kind of like its Y equals. So your B is your independent. You can tell that based on its location. B, it says the architect wants B to be 3. What does that mean? What value of A would work with the value of B? So B is distance between the floor and the bottom of the window is 3 feet. Okay, so over there from the floor to the window is 3 feet. So what works for A if B is 3? Well, let's plug in 3. 3 plus 6? 9. 15 minus that? 6. 6 feet would be A, that's ceiling to the window. Customer wants the window to have 5 feet space above it. Is the customer describing A or B? Well, A is the distance above the window. Tells you that right in the problem. So if this is 5, we got to figure out what B would be to make it 5. Well, 15 minus 10 would give me 5, so this has to be 10. And of course, 4 plus 6 is how you'd get 10. All right, that is it.